Hey everybody, welcome to the Freedom Motivator channel on YouTube. Uh, got a good little video for you today. Wanted to show you guys how to upload your trailer video for your channel. If you're starting a new channel and you're just getting it up and running, and going to show you how to put up a new trailer video which you can use to introduce your channel and so on and so forth. So stay tuned. We'll be right back after this, and we'll get started right on it. All right, thanks. Also, don't forget to subscribe and check the links down below the videos too, and mash that subscribe button too, so you be sure you catch the next videos that come out when we put them out and post them. All right, thanks. We'll be right back in just a minute. Thanks. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're going to go into it right now. Here, going to show you how to create a channel trailer and to set it up on your YouTube channel, so it's the first video that people will see when they come to your channel, and it'll play. Now, there's some things you want to go through before you do that, so that you know what to say in your channel video. One of the things that you want to talk to them about first, about 5 things that you want to put into it. Now, this video only needs to be 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes, and you also you want to make sure that you add music in. Music is a good thing. So background music is always a good thing in your video. You can go to YouTube in the search engine and type in copyright free music and find all the free music you want to add to your videos, or your trailer video, or any video for that matter. And so you'll find plenty of them. There's lots of them there. And so anyways, the 5 things that you want to talk about in your channel video is, of course, you want to introduce yourself and who you are. And then the second thing you want to do is you want to talk to them a little bit about who you are, what you do, and a little bit about your life, and so on and so forth, and what you're doing, what you're trying to accomplish if you're into internet marketing like I am, or what you do on your job, and just a little bit about you and what you do. And then the third thing you want to add in there is, how is this channel going to benefit the people that come and visit your channel? In other words, what are they going to see? What's your channel going to be about? What's your content going to be about? Are you making how-to videos? You doing motivation? These are the 2 things I'm doing. Or are you doing maybe videos on diet and health and wellness, or other types of videos that you're doing, talking about your blog or something? There's all kinds of categories. Whatever your video or your channel is going to be about, that's what you want to stress about them to them, and why they would want to come to your channel, and how that's going to benefit their lives. See, this is all about giving value. You want to give as much value as you can. All right, so that's the third thing. The fourth thing you want to tell them is about how often you're going to be posting. Now, it's recommended, if you can, to post every day. Because the more often you post, the YouTube algorithm will pick up your posting. So the more often you post, that it'll help the YouTube algorithm will draw more traffic to your channel, so that more people will come and visit your channel and hopefully subscribe. That's what you want. So tell them how much times a week, many times a week that you're going to post. Either it's every day, or it's 2 days a week, 3 days, 4 days, whatever, that you're going to post a week, and then make sure that you stick to that as close as you can. The fifth thing that you want to tell them is you want to make sure that they click on your links. Tell them to click on your links. Give a call to action. Tell them to subscribe to your channel, and to check out your links that you have at the bottom. So it's a call to action, and so that they'll do that. All right. Now, so after those 5 things are in your video, and you've made your video, We're going to go on now. I'm going to show you how to put that video, that trailer video, up on your YouTube channel. So it's the first video that they see when your channel loads up on their screen. Alright, so on the when you already have your videos made, right, your trailer videos already made, what you want to do, of course, then come up here and click on the upload button, and that brings up the upload. Now you want to set this instead of public, because you don't want this to be a part of your other videos, or being the channel listing with your other videos. So you want to click here and you want to choose unlisted, so that it's unlisted with the rest of the videos. And then just click on your upload here, and it's going to open up, and then of course go to your videos, and this assumes you already. Now I just did mine today, so I'm not going to upload one right now since I've already done mine. That's why I thought I'd just, while I was at it uploading my trailer video to my channel, I thought that I might as well just do a video and show you how to do it too. My video is right here. It's already up there, as you see on the channel. So then just click on it to upload it, and it'll upload. And then after it uploads, now you can set your description and then your title and so on right there after it uploads in that editing section that pops up after the upload. Or you can do this. You can put your tags on it there too. Or you can do this, and you can come up over here and click on your picture up to upper right on your channel, and then choose Creator Studio. Click on that, and that'll open up to this page here, and you'll see your video. Always your newest videos that you upload are going to be right here at the top anyway. So since it's the newest one, your trailer is, it'll be right here. So you want to come down up to that, and you want to click on Edit, the Edit button here. And that's going to open up into this right here. Now mine's already here, but when you do this for the first time, you'll see it'll pop up and it'll ask you to choose your video that you want to set as your trailer. And one of the links that you'll see up there will say New Visitors. You want to make sure you click on the New Visitors one, and then highlight your trailer channel, click on New Visitors, and then click Edit or OK, and it'll bring you to this page right here. And then on this page here is where you'll see your video here, and you can choose a couple thumbnails or whatever. You can even create one or whatever if you want for it. But then you'll set in your title right here for your channel. In mine I just put welcome to my channel, and then down in the description all I did there is just put my links, and it's my business link here, and how people can connect with me on social media and other ways they can connect with me. My links there. That's all I have in the description. That's all basically you need. And then you can put your tags in down here, which will help your, it's all part of ranking. You want to do the best you can to help your channel get ranked, or and so you'll draw people to your channel, and maybe hopefully they'll subscribe. That's what we're after, right? And get more subscribers and more people visiting our channel. So after you've got all those set, all that set in there, you just come up here to the right, and you want to click on Save Changes. Alright, and then after it saves the changes, then you want to come over here and click on your hamburger symbol. That's what that's called. Those three lines stacked up on top of each other over there is called a hamburger symbol. You click on that, and it comes down. Then you just choose My Channel, and then it loads it up, and you see your video, and it'll start playing. And you see everything is set right here with your, like your links or whatever your description is that you put into your video. It can be whatever you want it to be, of course, and so on and so forth. And you'll see it there now, and it'll play for you. Now the cool thing about here, when people load this up and they see this for the first time, the cool thing about this is I noticed this. I didn't know it until I happened to play it and notice it. Is that at the end of the video, if I drag this all the way over toward the end of the video, and then I click play, watch what happens. It comes up with a...
And we'll see you later. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.
Comes up with a subscribe button right there in your video. See that? So I thought that was pretty cool. I didn't know that was going to happen, but that's a pretty cool thing. So there you go. That's basically how to do it. You can, you know, if you have any questions about this or whatever, you can comment down in the comments down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button that you see there, and also up on the upper left of my channel, or upper right in your case, my left, my right on my side too, I guess. Can never get that straight with where those subscribe buttons are. But there's a subscribe button at the bottom right of my channel banner up there at the top. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. And you'll be set after that, and it'll always that'll be the first video that starts playing when new people come to your channel, or anybody comes to your channel and loads up your channel. That's going to be the first thing they'll see. Alrighty, so I just wanted to help you with that today and give you some value on how to set that channel trailer up, and that should be good for you. If you have any questions, just hit me with a comment down there below, and I'll answer all the questions that you have, or any kind of concerns or whatever that you may have. Alright, so thanks a lot. That's our video for today. I hope you got some value out of that, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button down there so you know that every time we post. Okay? Thanks a lot. Come back soon. I'll see you guys later. See you next time. Bye-bye now.